Hello everyone, in this video, we're going to solve mixture problems. So in problem number 1, a chemist has 70 ml of a 50% methane. So we have a start here and part here of methane solution. How much of 80% solution must she add? So the final solution is 60% methane. So first step is we need to use the problem tactics. So in number 1 is a problem number 1. So let's make an amount here. Amount part and final. Okay, and here which is start add. You say start here, this is a start here, start, and this is the part, and means add. The operation here is add, so let's try to put add here, and the final. So the final solution here is 60%. Okay, so write final here. Right, the start is 70 ml, so you write 70 in here, 70 ml here, so you write only a 70, and the part which is 50%, so converted to decimal, is equals to 0.5. Okay, and solution must she add, so let's put a x here, which is the unknown, and 80%, how much 80% solution, so you write 0.8 here, and then from the final, which is 70 start plus x, so let's write 70 plus x. So we write an equation here, and we write a 60% from the final. We write the 60%. The final solution is 60%, so we write 0.6 here. Okay, after that you need to multiply, so 70 times 0.5, 70 times 0.5 is equals to 35, so you write 35 here, so x times 0.8 equals 0.8x, and then 70 plus x times 0.6, so you write here distributive property, so equals 0.6 times 70, so 70 times 0.6 is equals to 42, plus 0.6 times x, which is 0.6x. So you write here this equation here, so 42 plus 0.6x. Okay, the table is already complete. Now we use the algebraic equation, which is the solutions here. So a solution here, so 35 plus 0.8, so 35 plus 0.8x is equals this equation, which is 42 here, 42 plus 0.6x. Alright, so we need to transpose each other, so transpose 0.6 from here and transpose 35 from here. So transposed here, and then 35 will be transposed here. So these are combined like terms. Okay, so 0.8x minus 0.6x. From positive transpose, it becomes negative. So equals 42. 35 becomes negative 35. So minus 35. So 0.8 minus 0.6 is equals to 0.2. 0.2x is equals to 42 minus 35 is equals to 7. So write 7 here. And then divide both sides by 0.2 over 0.2. So cancel. So x is equals to 7 divided by 0.2 is equals to 35. So therefore 35 ml must be added into a solution. So this is your final answer. Okay? Did you understand it? Alright, next problem. We have problem number 2 here. A solution of pure antifreeze is mixed with water to make 65% antifreeze solution. How much of each should be used to make 70 liters? So, first start this, we need to create again a given. So this is a number 2 here. So let A is equals to antifreeze. So write to antifreeze. Antifreeze. And let W. So let W is equals to water. So we create a given here, which you write amount here, part, and final. Okay, so let's write this is an antifreeze here. So write antifreeze. So the amount here is letter A, so you write E here, so A. And the part is which is 1, okay? There's no another given, so you put a 1 here. So 1, okay? And how about in water? Water, which means you write W here. From water, to make an antifreeze solution, how much of each be used to 70? So you write it 0. Okay? There's no solution. And the final, you write final here. The final, which is how much of it should be used to make 70 liters. So this is a final. So write 70 liters here. 70 liters. And then we have a 65% antifreeze solution. So you write, this is the part of 70 liters here. So you write 0.65 here. Okay? And then let's multiply again. A times 1 is equals to A. W times 0 is equals to 0. And 70 times 0.65 is equals to 45.5. right? 45.5. So let's create an equation. So A plus W, okay, that's the solution here. A plus W is equals to 70. Okay? So you write A. So A here has a value of 45.5. So 45.5 here. So let's substitute from A here. So 45.5 plus W is equals to 70. So transposed here. So W is equals to 70 minus 45.5. So W is equals to 70 minus 45.5 is equals to 24.5. So you write 24.5 here. So therefore antifreeze has 45.5 liters. So you write here 45.5 liters, and the water has 24.5 liters of water. Okay? And this is your final answer. Right? I hope you understand. Please like and subscribe.